guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to do for you a quick serving tray, and this serving tray is perfect for any finger foods or even to have some cocktails on it if you're having a small girl night out together. I think it is going to be perfect. What you're going to need for this is a Dollar Tree tray. Now the Dollar Tree tray, they have the silver in two different styles. You can get the circle, which I decide to go with, or you can get the oval. Now you will also need 4 elephants, and these are the ceramic elephants. You will need some gems, and I'm going to go with the red because the 4th of July is coming up and we can always use red. The look of beads, and I really like that. So I think I'm going to incorporate that. They both came from Hobby Lobby, so you can use just diamond wrap if you prefer as well. You will need your glue gun, your glue sticks, and your scissors. Let's jump in by starting with adding our gems. So this is how it turned out. Love the way that looked. And so I have a strip left over, a little piece. And I decide that I want to add these as eyes. I think that would be adorable. Okay guys, so I went ahead and add the gems, these strips of beads all the way around on the inside. And now I want to do the outside. Lay the glue down. And we have to go slowly because you want to make sure that it is straight. So this is what it would look like. Some beads on the inside and beads on the outside. So I'm going to take that all the way around and I'll be right back. Okay guys, after you got your trimmings on, then you're going to go ahead and take your elephants and put them in the position of 4s. And I want to slant them a bit. Put your tray on just to make sure that it does balance. So guys, I decided right where the rim of this tray is where I want for all the heads to rest on. I think that works best. So I just wanted to share with you guys. You're going to glue right where the rim of this tray is. So we'll go ahead and place some of the glue onto that part of the head and also on the back side. We're going to be very generous with the back side. And the head. Go ahead and place your tray down. Make sure it's all touching. It's very warm. Hold it in place until it's dry. Once it's dry, we'll flip it over and see if we need to add more glue. Okay guys, so this is how the tray turned out. I hope you like the way it looked. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and your comments. So please leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. If this is a DIY you would recreate for your home. All right, I will see you on my next DIY.